Welcome to Textile Technology Channel.
In the heart of Bangladesh's industrial landscape stands a beacon of innovation, Pacific Attires Ltd. Born from the legacy of Pacific Jeans in 1984, we pioneered premium denim manufacturing in Bangladesh. In 2023, we started a new chapter. Our state-of-the-art facility produces 400,000 trousers, 250,000 blazers monthly, supported by over 3,000 skilled professionals. At Pacific Attires, cutting-edge technology meets craftsmanship, from contemporary cutting solutions to automated sewing lines and precision finishing. Every step is optimized for excellence. Our diverse portfolio ranges from impeccable formal suits and blazers to contemporary soft-woven fashion. Each piece reflects our commitment to quality and style. At Pacific Attires Ltd, sustainability is more than a goal. It's a responsibility. We are actively working to enhance our operations with globally accepted sustainability principles, ensuring that every piece we produce contributes to a greener future. Trusted by leading global brands, we've built enduring partnerships based on innovation, reliability, and shared values. With ambitious growth plans, we're expanding our horizons while maintaining our commitment to excellence. Pacific Attires Ltd, where innovation meets integrity, crafting the future of global fashion.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.